What do you need to know about reporting employee healthcare coverage to the IRS under the Affordable Care Act? You probably have a lot of questions around this reporting requirement, like, what is Affordable Care Act? How does it impact me as an employer? What information do I need to gather? What forms do I use to report the information? When are the forms due? And so on. You can search the internet or the IRS website for answers, but the information can be overwhelming and at times confusing. So Sage did much of the research for you. We trudged through the IRS documentation to find the most useful and concise explanations of ACA requirements and created an Affordable Care Act Resource Center. Here you'll discover an expedient starting point to find the answers to your most pressing ACA questions. You can get to this resource center by typing www.sagecity.com/ACA in the address bar of your web browser. The Sage Affordable Care Act Resource Center is designed to make it easy to find information that you're likely to need. The left side of the page is devoted to general ACA information that's applicable to all Sage customers impacted by ACA requirements. Under the Quick Reference section, you can use the links to get to the IRS Affordable Care Act homepage and explanations of the commonly used terms. There are links to IRS web pages or documents on specific ACA information, like how to determine if your company qualifies as an applicable large employer, which forms to file, and what information to report. You can also see the due dates for the various IRS reports at a glance, and you have convenient access to the latest news and changes on ACA filing requirements. Scroll down for more. Links to Sage resources are listed under General Information. General Affordable Care Act information is also documented in the Sage Knowledge Base. Use Article 70985 to find it, or use keywords to search by topic. After learning about general requirements, you probably want to find out how to report ACA information from your Sage software. We have that information too. It's on the right side of the page. Find your Sage product, and click the links to find out how to set up your software, how to file the required ACA forms, how to get the correct amount on W-2 forms, and so on. These links open Sage Knowledge Base articles. There are many additional product-specific articles in our knowledge base you can find through keyword search. The Sage Affordable Care Act Resource Center is your go-to resource for answers to general and Sage product-specific ACA questions. While you're on Sage City, check out the Year-End Center for help and guidance on year-end procedures for your Sage product. And don't forget about the Sage Knowledge Base, where you can find the latest software downloads and documentation, how-to articles, and instructional videos.